Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to share with you how to do a return pass in Tunisian crochet. This is the second step for working Tunisian crochet stitches, and so if you aren't sure how to get your hook to look like this, go ahead and check out my Tunisian crochet setup video to learn how to do this, because we're going to talk about the second step, the return pass. The return pass in Tunisian crochet, you're always going to work forward and then backwards to complete one row. And the return pass is how you're going to work back to the beginning of your row after you've picked up your stitches. So to complete a return pass when you're working flat like this, you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through your first loop on your hook, just that first one. Then you're going to continue down the row pulling through 2 loops each time. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 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 yarn over, pull through 2 loops until you just have 1 loop left on your hook. And after you've done that, you've completed your very first whole entire row of Tunisian crochet. Congratulations. That is how you work a return pass. Written instructions are in the description below. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any tips and tutorials, and be sure to check out my other beginner Tunisian crochet videos to learn more about Tunisian crochet. Happy crafting!